welcome back. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys our nighttime routine. Every day is completely different, but this is somewhat what has been happening the past couple of days. So I thought, hey, let's record it and let's finish, since I already did my morning, afternoon, and now I have to do my nighttime routine. I did ask you guys if you guys would like to see more like vlogs like this, and you guys said yes. So after this nighttime routine, I'll definitely be doing that for you guys. So right now I'm just going to finish up the kitchen. It is dirty. Summer break, the kids are having fun, they're out in the pool. So we weren't feeling good for quite some time. We're finally feeling better. So it's not like super duper clean. So I'm gonna have to clean all that, and I'm just gonna let the babies play, all that good stuff. So I do have a video that I'm getting ready to record for you guys later. Have a cute little setup, and I think it's just gonna look really cute with like a nice, you know, like this is going to be the background, and do the unboxing. I went shopping and scored this green screen for $6.99. Hell yeah. So after I'm done cleaning and doing what I have to, I'm gonna sit down and hopefully record if I have time, but I don't know, we will see. I'm kind of out of breath right now because I am doing my faja. I am wearing my faja, so I feel like, but it's because I haven't been wearing it for a while, so my body's like not used to it. But it's something that I do like doing, is waist training. So let's get to cleaning. Okay, I already told you. How many times?
Mom, tell Jill to hop in.
Get in, Jill. You're too tired.
Mom, get this big for her on camera.
Jay, that can be allergic to grass, huh?
Yeah, everyone's allergic to grass. Alrighty, I'm just gonna tie my hair up and get to cleaning. Most of this, I get upset because I'm like, all of this is so easy. Throwing everything away that needs to be thrown away. Put things where they need to be put back. I had to have a little break. I love me some Kool-Aid packets. But anyways, it's very simple, but I feel like where there's so many babies, they're like, oh yeah, and it just like piles up really quickly. So I try and get on them, and I'm like, you guys, it's so easy. Like most of the things that you guys leave there, either sink, garbage, or fridge, those three things. But it's okay, they're playing. Well, it's not okay, but y'all know what I'm saying. They're playing, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna take care of it. I'm just gonna do it, and it's easy peasy. I used to always laugh when my grandma would say it's that simple. We just, you know, make it more complicated by talking about it and not getting it done, and that's so true. We complain more than the time it takes to clean. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so I just finished it up, got the counter clean, and then I am sweeping, getting all the dirt from like the cracks and stuff, putting new paper towels in. We have to put them up high because Nena would literally grab one too many, so I do it that way. I'm gonna bust out my new vacuum, you guys. Oh, this is not sponsored. I love this vacuum. It seriously gets the job done. I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can hear the crunch. Literally obsessed with it. The crunch, it was from my mirror that broke, and it was made out of cement, like the holder. So I was vacuuming it up, so it sounded very crunchy. So I was like, oh, I gotta get this for them. Gotta get it for them, so it sounds really crispy crunchy. And it's so easy to clean. Just pop it out, dump it out, and done. I love it. Pop it right back in. Voila. So I really love how it literally gets the job done and makes it so much easier for me. Besos from my babe. Going to finish cleaning off the counter using a Clorox wipe, getting all the germs off, and yeah, done. I really thought the sala was a place that we spend the most time, that, you know, we get it the most dirty, but I honestly think it's a kitchen. I honestly do. I feel like we're in here most of the time. Now it's dinner time. I made my favorite pozole. Oh, it's delicious. I do have a recipe video. I will link down below and in the cards. Make sure you check it out. Family time is the best time, and I love that we all get to sit down and just chismear, talk, and the food is delicious. So whenever we all can sit down, I always try to make it possible and make sure the food is good too. So now bath time. So Nena is the one to go first because she is such a diva. Mira que chiquita, she's so little, you guys. Look how little mi Nena. And then mira now. So mean to me. Done. Number 2.
Yeah.
3.
You didn't have a banana, right?
Number 5.
And I'm number 6.
Yeah. So all my babies are showered, and now I'm just going to juice my green juice for tomorrow. So I like to do it the night before. So in the morning, I have fresh green juice, and it's very easy. I feel like sometimes we overcomplicate things because they seem like they'd be complicated, but they're really not. It's super simple. Spinach, cucumber, apple, and celery. Boom, and it tastes amazing. And there's so many recipes that you can find on Pinterest. So we juice every other night, every other day. There you go. Yeah, and it is so easy. Like, I like busting this thing out because it's really that simple and it gets it done. Like, look at that. Boom. And it tastes so delicious. And once you get things out of the way, the next day you get to enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? So now I am getting ready to work out. I like working out morning, night, whenever I can fit it in. So I did all these cool shots and the freaking camera died. So you're gonna see me in a different outfit. But I work out 5 times a week. Get it done. You'll feel amazing. Finished with my workout. I'm going to have a good shower, a good sleep. Feels good. Feels good that I actually did it. I'm gonna take my shower, do my skincare routine, all that good stuff. I feel good. You know, see all that freaking sweat. I feel good. Future me, keep going. Even when you don't want to, keep going. Because once we feel this, then we're like, oh god, I feel so good. So keep doing it so that you keep feeling good. Okay, I'm done. So now babe is getting his workout in. Yeah. So we do cardio and we do weights. When I get more comfortable with the weights, I will definitely do a video for you guys on that. So while he's doing that, I took my shower and now I'm applying my skincare. Make it a habit of applying your skincare morning and night. I know sometimes we get really lazy, but we just have to put it in our routine where it doesn't even feel like a chore. It just becomes like second nature. And we're like, oh, I just have to do it. You know, like how we have to eat. Same thing. Take care of our skin and take care of yourself so you feel good too. So I'm just going with my skincare. Make sure you guys apply your SPF as well and your oils. My top favorites are my Drunk Elephant. Those are my ride or die. I'm trying to get into this. Help me out because I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but help me out. So all the babies are now knocking out. Here's my Nana, my Noah. They sleep so good. Look at them. My Elijah. Then we got my Giovanni. And I think having the pool too is really getting them like, and then my Andres. My Angelica stayed up so we could watch some movies. Minala, she's all happy. So she stayed up and we're just chilling, watching some shows. Look at her. And my babe joined me, and this is the next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed our nighttime routine. So let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this, my daily routine, morning routine, all that, and I would love to do it for you guys. So let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with our videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos. Thank you for all you guys' love, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.